Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I appreciate the gentleman from Texas yielding to me. And I came to the floor, I wanted to highlight the disasters that we have in the Midwest. And I recall time back in 2011 when the Missouri River was 11 miles wide at its widest, 5 to 6 miles wide most everywhere else, all the way through Iowa and down across Missouri. But it was a secret flood because you couldn't drive there if you had to fly over it to see it. We have some of these similar circumstances this spring, although it's gotten a little more of the press. We had more water come down below Gavins Point than ever before, and it wiped out a lot of ag land in the Iowa side and more so even on the Nebraska side. We have critical infrastructure that's got to be reconstructed. We've got to protect some of these communities that have been nearly wiped out, and this Corps of Engineers in particular has 41 breaches on the levees on that, just on the Iowa side of the river. And so I urge that we get to a conclusion and an adoption of a final package on this disaster relief. But I would point out, Madam Speaker, that this message from the White House said that Congress should not use natural disasters as a pretext to engage in unnecessary spending outside the agreed-upon discretionary spending caps. So I'm hopeful that this gets worked out between the House and the Senate, and we need the relief, and we need it very soon. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I would yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields, and the gentleman reserves.